Hey, that's when you know you're catching when the fish are full in a hole.
Right on, finally.
The gutter can't keep up. Coming out of the hole. Dustin and Martina pulling the net. You gotta fix the net as he's going. We're close to the end. There's a gutter. Whitefish. Yeah, we're hitting them a little bit. Yeah, finally. Took a few days. And the gutter can keep up here.
Too much fish.
That's how you got him. Hit him a little bit. Take the gills out. Slice him right in the middle. Take the guts out. Like that. Wow. What kind of fish?
Whitefish. Dirty whitefish.
We start him young.
Then
We turn fish. So we'll have some fishermen. We got Hunter and Carter. And there's a fish coming out of the hole. Whitefish. Yeah. Oh, jackfish.